there's a rainy, cold day like this and you're trying to get to work, you push a button, nothing happens. Oh, what's wrong with my BMW? I can't unlock the car. Is something wrong? Something broken? No, you probably just don't have any power, any juice left in your battery. So today I'm going to show you how to properly jump start a car, a BMW I mean. So when your remote don't work, we're going back to the old ways by using a mechanical key hidden inside of the key fob right here. You just push a button and it pops out. Right, and then you plug it in, turn to the left, or the lock. Alright, and then use your handle to get to your engine compartment. Oh, I just felt it. After you get your hood opened, found there's a little latch right here. And then you push it. Push it. Push it up. Lift it up. You look into your engine compartment, you're wondering, oh, I didn't see any battery. Where is any battery? I need the battery to jump start the car. I need to find the terminals on the batteries, but where is the batteries? You know, nowadays these fancy car companies get your battery hidden behind in the trunk, because you know we need to fit this bad boy in to give us more horsepower. So there's not really any space left in the engine compartment for a battery. And of course the trunk is electrical release, so when you have no power, you cannot get to the trunk. So luckily, the German engineers figure out a way to help us with that situation. You can see the rack cap right here, which has a plus sign on it. That's the positive terminal that links to the positive terminals of the battery. And oh, you wonder where's the negative terminal? Oh, there's nothing on this car. You can't really find it, right? It's right here, right this bare metal point. You can use as the negative terminals. I mean, any metal parts in the engine compartment would do, but you know it's nice they have this little metal points right here. So now you know where the terminals are. You can finally get the car started. How can you do that? You will need something like this, a jumper cable, or like what I have, a jumper battery I have from Costco for like 50 bucks. It's nice to have in your car so you don't have to wait around for some other people to save you. So first we'll take the cover off of the positive terminal, you know, leave that right there, and then leave the negative, this is right here. So get that, get this thing plugged in like this, you know, put it somewhere secure, plug the positive, get the positive on right here, nice and tight, right? You want all the metal to touch each other, so like this, and then you use the next handle to push it on there, right? And then you can go ahead, turn that on, get in your car. Push on your brake and magic happens. Start no problems, just like you. That's how you jumpstart a BMW.